What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes, we'll do a quick price prediction and price analysis on the ENS token, or Ethereum name service. So I saw that it was relatively bullish. I mean, up 15%, that's great. Volume is looking, well, quite amazing, for 74 million, but it's more common to look at the volume according or in relation to the market cap, which is 18%. That's great. So yeah, we'll basically do a quick technical analysis on it, see where it can go in the upcoming days. It's been a while since I did an analysis on ENS. So yeah, first two quick disclaimers. First one being that this whole analysis is based upon the assumption that we remain in relatively stable markets. So if any big fundamental event or move happens, I think you all know, then please forget about the analysis, because fundamentals are frankly stronger than technicals. And second of all, this whole analysis is not financial advice. It's just my opinion based on a technical analysis. So having said that, let's get right into the analysis. So as you can see, we found resistance here at around 20.75, and the full key level is more like 21.4 up until 20.75. We found support there earlier, but then reached a higher low. Then we actually managed to break that full key level at around 19.0 quite easily. So that's quite bullish, and I actually think that we are going to be able to break ultimately 21.4. But before that happens, I do suspect that we will have some sort of a consolidation. So from what we did right now, I do think we'll drop down to 18.8, and hopefully the support, I mean, it also kind of depends on the state of the crypto market, of course, but I do think it will be strong enough to actually hold support at 18.8. Maybe we need another touch off of 20.76 around that level. It's actually very well possible. That's why it's a small consolidation. But from that second touch, and it will probably touch a little bit higher or find support a little bit higher at 19.4, and the wick could also shoot through the trend line, which you can see, which is looking quite strong at least. And from there, I actually think we can break that. So how would that look like, you ask? We'll probably break that. So we need to break that 21.4 with the candle. So we'll probably close. Or I'll probably find resistance at around 22.15, and the ideal situation would be that we close there, because if we close there, then we have the opportunity to take a break retest of the full area. I mean, if we close a little bit lower, so at around here, then it would be more likely to take a break retest off of 20.75, and we don't really have that much support under it. So hopefully we close as high as possible, and then off of the break retest, my initial price target would be 24. So that's the level, in my opinion, we would be heading to if we would break that 21.4. Obviously, the market circumstances have to allow for that, and I do think from the 24 we will find quite some resistance. So at least something like this. But still, it's a noble goal to reach for, and it's still, in my eyes, relatively conservative. Although within these current market circumstances, it could be very stupid. We could just have a bearish fundamental move from something like 22.5 and drop that all the way down to 15 again. So, but that's what I said, that this whole analysis is based upon the assumption that we remain in relatively stable markets. If we don't, please forget about the analysis. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on ENS for now. If you do have any questions about the analysis, then please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.